Have you guys ever heard of Undertale? Well, if you haven't, I have no idea on what to tell you, but the main idea of the game is that it is incredibly empty and emotionless. So me and my good friend Facti decided to make a game jam about the theme Emptiness. Here, both of us have to compete to see who can make the better game about emptiness in 6 days. So let's get started. So on the first day of the project, what I did was some planning and I made a character. The character pretty much took the entire day and I think it's pretty good. With the pace that I made that player, I don't really think I can finish the game on time. So the next day I designed the entire basement. Oh wait, I haven't told you the idea of the game yet. So basically you, the player, are trapped in a damn near empty basement with barely any sight. Some rooms have puzzles to complete while some end your entire run. When you complete all the puzzles, you get things in your mind and escape. So what I did was make some icons for the puzzles. So we are already on the 3rd day, and so far we have a player and a basement. Mainly on this day, I was focusing on the puzzles, but I had a hard time thinking about ideas on the puzzles until I settled on making a key code or a keypad. But anyways, let's get started. So now that the core game is complete, I just need to make the progression system. So by this point, the game is pretty much done. So on this day, I was pretty much just finalizing the game. Also, keep in mind, I'm still trying to edit this video while working on this game. Anyways, you can probably see some gameplay of the game in the back right now. Anyways, let's see what Facti thinks of my game.
Okay, so far my first impression of the game is that it's a horror game. Oh, wait, what? Okay. So it's a horror game. Okay. 3, 4, 7, 5. Okay. I was hiding my headphones falling, so I didn't really get jump scared. Okay. Just why? Why? if I did get jump scared, I'm gonna kill you, player. I'm just telling you before I continue. Okay. Okay. I think that's an endless pathway. Ah, the theme is empty, so the path is endless. So the path is gonna be empty. Wait, what? The camera just stopped following the play. So I'm gonna give my honest opinion about the game. It's actually really good. The art is really good, and I like the empty pathway. That if I didn't ask player about it, I was gonna spend around 30 minutes just figuring out what's gonna happen next. It's just I really kind of didn't understand what's my mission, like what should I actually do. But actually in like overall the game is actually good. Like it's actually better than mine. Anyways, yeah.
And honestly, I think my game is for you to decide. You guys can go in the link in the description to download my game, Facti's game, and check out even his channel. Also, a very big announcement. Super Square Guy and Zombie Rooms are both on speedrun.com. So if you think you can beat the unfair game like I did, give it a shot. Anyways, subscribe, like, comment, and bye.